ZBCN, Zebec Holders, we need to talk. It seems like just one day after another, there's another milestone that's rolling out for Zebec, and I need you guys to understand just how bullish and just how bright the upside, the future for this crypto project really looks. I know the short-term price action may be a little bit, it's hard to navigate, it's hard to weather the storm, but guys, we are in a bear market, okay? But this is where all the opportunities are made. Again, there's this famous saying that says it's not about when you sell, it's about when you buy. And there are so many good buying entries, but one of the best ones, one of the best opportunities that you are going to get with everything that's happening in this entire ecosystem, in my opinion, doesn't get really better than ZBCN. Not financial advice, of course, but if you guys like what you see here on this channel, stay until the end of this video. Then if you like it, consider subscribing. Let's get into today's video, guys. We have a lot to discuss for Zebec, and I'm super excited. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Ro. I've been in the crypto market since 2017, and I was able to retire off of crypto fully, entirely just last year. Okay, so you can see here, Zebec's price is down. It's actually down in the last 24 hours as well, I believe. Excuse me. I had a protein shake and now I can't stop burping. In the last little bit, guys, it rallied up to about 300 million within this month. Wasn't able to really break above it. You can see now we're back at 258 million, which are around the lows. We entered this area again back in the beginning of June, but the lows that we set, I believe, were in February, if I am not mistaken. Let's see. I don't think we're going to get that low at 154 million. We're probably not going to lose that $200 million support. And again, regardless, one thing you guys need to understand is 200 million versus 250 million versus 150 million. It's not going to matter when this crypto project is at a billion, 1.5, 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion. The little $100 million market cap fluctuation isn't necessarily going to matter too much when this is a multi-billion dollar crypto project. Now, it's already listed on a few exchanges, not all of them, not the big players. Again, this leaves a lot of room for a lot of catalysts to come down the pipeline. And when I tell you guys, like Zebec Holders, we need to talk because I need you guys to understand that there's so many milestones, there's so many green flags for this crypto project that it feels wrong to not get a piece of the pie. Obviously, not financial advice. This is all just what I'm doing and why I believe in the project. Again, get paid in stablecoins, spend on MasterCard. Zebec rolls out payroll on Stellar. Okay. Why Stellar? Why do we have to do it on Stellar? The choice of Stellar is deliberate. The network was purpose-built for cross-border payments and processes hundreds of thousands of transactions daily, including more than 250,000 USDC transaction. This rollout is phased. Core payroll functionality comes first, with full global payout rails to follow, including fiat on-ramps, off-ramps, and integrations with remittance networks. Per Zebec, several European institutions and multinational employers are already in final testing on the platform. If those pilots convert, on-chain payday could move from a fintech pitch to a standard operating procedure for cross-border teams. Absolutely massive. Now, it doesn't even end there. Here is another thing, right? We all know that the final token unlock completed for Zebec in March of 2026. The tokenomics for this project are insane. It's really good. Okay, perhaps the most bullish structural catalyst, Zebec completed its final ZBCN token unlock in March 2026. And I feel like the people that do cover this don't emphasize just how important this really is. There's going to be no new supply that ever enters into circulation. The tokenomics are now permanently deflationary, removing the constant selling pressure that had weighed on price since the launch. And not just that, guys, they also do burns every now and then as well, which again, absolutely love. There's a really good project, and the token obviously has a lot of value. And again, just look at some of these integrations that we've had all within the last couple months. NatPay integration December 2025, which processed 170 billion annually across 300,000 ACH clients. Nasha Payments Innovations Alliance, Nasha kind of the overseeing body of all these payment processors in like America for example, things like Zelle. ISO 222 compliant, 20022 compliant in December. Circle Arc Testnet, Stellar integration, USD stablecoin integration. Again, just phenomenal all around. Now, guys, one thing I will say is we buy into these projects all the time. We get good entries into them because I've been in these markets for a while. I know how to get good entries, guys. We do a little bit of technical analysis. If you guys want to know when I buy into the markets, when I sell in these markets, right? If you guys want to know exactly my moves that I make, join the inner circle, okay? Not just that, guys, but you get exclusive hours of content that you cannot find anywhere else. Hours of exclusive crypto content, how to find hidden gems, what to look for when you're searching through the teams, what to avoid, so on and so forth. And the best part is, guys, weekly live streams that we host inside of there every single Wednesday. If this sounds like something that you would be interested in, click the link below at checkout. Use the code 25OFF for 25% off of your purchase. Let's keep going here. So Zebec, obviously make sure you guys are following them over on X so you never miss out any updates, because hey, listen, it's one thing to hear about it from me, but it's another to do your due diligence, to do your own to take responsibility for your own crypto holdings. We're excited to be working. Here's another one. Token GBP, the first UK-based British pound stablecoin to bring native GBP payments to Zebec. Issued by FCA registered BCP Technologies, TGBP is now live on the Zebec Super app for cards and real-time streaming with enterprise payroll support to follow. This expands the list of supported stablecoin options available to businesses and individuals using Zebec globally. Pretty massive news, to be honest, guys. Real-time payroll powered by USDC, proud to be building alongside Circle. Here is another thing that these guys are building alongside. Again, Zebec Holders, this thing is insane. It just keeps getting better and better every single day. One massive milestone after another for ZBCN. Stacking now is like getting into XRP and XLM in the early days. I couldn't agree more, guys, okay? The signs are there, okay? The writing is on the wall. How long are you guys going to wait? How long are you guys going to fade ZBCN? Again, previous all-time high for this crypto project isn't even anything crazy. Only 540 million from 260 million where we are right now to there is only about a 109% move, guys. Just a subtle 2x, and the lowest that we have gone is this February move down to $160 million market cap, which again isn't anything crazy. Listen, if you guys do go on to enjoy this video and you think that Zebec is a good crypto, it would be wrong for you guys to not subscribe. It will be wrong for you guys to not like this video. And it will be wrong for you guys to not comment just how much you love Zebec. Listen, guys, obviously, I am not a financial advisor. I've been in these markets for a while, and I'm only sharing with you guys my experience and my thoughts on certain crypto projects. So if you do go on to buy this crypto, just remember, please do your own research, your own due diligence before you get into anything. With that being said, though, I really do hope you guys enjoyed. Also, if you guys are cheering for the World Cup and you're staying until the end of this video, let me know what team you're supporting, because there's a lot of bangers, a lot of good games already played, guys. And yeah, I'm excited. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, guys, and peace out.